welcome back to Ballping World. And today we are eating and Burger Factory. And we are going to eat there. And look at the view. Okay, so can we come in? Let's go.
Nak kan?
Okay, so the food is done. So we are going to go get the food. We are on our way to get our food. So we will review all the things after we were done taking our food. Our food is yummy-licious. Okay, so forks. Okay, so we are getting our food, but it doesn't really, So we'll review all the things that we have let's just. So we are on our way to get our food. Okay, we're taking the napkins and let's go. Our food is very yummy-licious. Okay, so we are going to prepare the salad for my mom. And basically she's getting the bread out because I really like the bread. It's really good. So we have the French fries. I already ate it. This is white fries, but I don't really like French fries or any other food with ketchup, so it's separate. And my dad has chicken burger, and my dad has 2 waters, and a salad. Okay, so my mom's going to put the mustard or whatever. Mayonnaise, I believe.
You still have another salad.
Okay, so I'm going to open the chicken burger. This is how it looks. It looks pretty good. But it's also so big. I don't know if my dad can finish all of this burger. Okay, so we are done eating and let's go. I don't know where we're planning to go next, but let's just hope that we can have some time. And come on. Let's go. It's really cold. I don't know where we're supposed to go, but like, where should we go? Let's just go for a little walk. Oh my gosh, the view is pretty. So, this was the place that we were eating, and we are going to see the view of the lake. Let's go. Okay, so the view is pretty good. Like, look at that. It's really beautiful. So we're going to head out and see if we have some time to see the ocean, I guess. It's not really the ocean though. Hey, come on. The view is really nice. Okay. Okay, so there's the view. There's the view, yes. Okay, so I think we're going to go home because it's already 6:54, almost 7 p.m. So we are going to walk there and go to our car and go home. The view is really nice, even though it's really cold though. This is a man-made lake, which is the biggest man-made pond or whatever in the Middle East. It's really cold. It's really cold. You can't believe how cold it is. Okay, so it is closing. I don't know. Okay. And it's really cold, and when we arrived here, it was like so much traffic because of the parking lot. Oh my gosh, it's really cold. You guys don't know how cold it is. Even though it's not snowing or whatever, it's really cold. Okay. Okay, so I guess this is the end of the video. So, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.